The first vehicle is KK-17 RSZ. Please remove your vehicle. KK-17 RSZ. The second vehicle is BP-57 HCD. BP-57 HCD. Please remove your vehicle. And finally, vehicle registration number BF18 NFH. That's BF18 NFH. If any of those three vehicles are yours, please return to your car and move it as quickly as possible.
Luxembourg and Scotland, male fighters, please report to list number 2. Argentina and Germany, prepare.
Hey Greg, is the audience having a good time down there?
Are you enjoying what you're seeing? It's gonna get better, it's gonna get more intense, it's gonna be crazy. If you liked and share them, you've got a chance of winning a family pass for Saturday and Sunday.
Female fighters, please report
Scotland
to the list.
and Luxembourg.
Quebec and Italy, female fighters, please report to list number 1. South Africa and England, prepare.
Scotland and Luxembourg still going in and down here. Got a good fight going on around in ring 3. I believe that is Wales and Estonia. But it might also be Lithuania and Estonia. But there's a Welsh flag.
1. New Zealand and Poland, female fighters, please report to the list. New Zealand and Poland, female fighters, please report to list number 1. There.
Takes a very fast fight. Again, Jack cautions them. We want to see a sword fight.
Estonia and Denmark, prepare. In list number 1, Belgium and Ukraine, female fighters, please report to the list.
Versus Japan in the finals from last year. Oh, and we have the fight. This is going to be a fight of Australia in list number 1. And it's one of those wide move with defense when we can just whack each other.
Here's my face. Give it a kiss.
Big shake here.
Winner is
Estonia versus Denmark in list number 3.
Italy and Canada, prepare. In list number 2, Australia and Argentina, male fighters, please report to list number 2. In list number 4, Canada and China, male fighters, please report to the list. Canada and China, male fighters, please report to list number 4. South Africa and Norway, prepare.
Argentina against Australia. He's got a new sword, I believe. So we're going to carry on. We got the American versus Australia, the lady fighters. And they're just as aggressive as mine in this one. They just want to smack each other silly. And it's such a shame that Scotland doesn't have a female fighter just yet. Oh, some very fast shots coming in. Oh, big kick. So fast. Almost spinning the goal, but miss.